Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Nahid from Swan, and a massive welcome to you if you don't already know me. Now, if you checked out this channel, you might see that there are loads of bite-sized videos on social media training, but they are from some years ago. Yeah, back then, that's all I ever did. Social media training. Everybody wanted to know how things work on Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn. Of course, now times moved on, tech has moved on, applications have moved on, and now it's all about how-tos on a number of digital platforms and software applications. So it's going to be the same kind of thing for when it comes to software. Loads of tutorials coming up, including on Windows 10. There might be various icons that you've seen and you just don't know what they do, but I'm here to explain all of that to you. So I will be producing those kind of videos for you. There will be other content which will relate to performance of various products that I use and how I got on with them, what they did for me, that kind of thing. It's all about real life experiences now. So that's what I'm going to be producing. If you like the content, feel free to subscribe. That would be really nice. And if you have any comments, feel free to pop them in and I will be sure to have a look at them and stay in touch with you. So let's stay in touch on this channel and see what happens.